think you've got what it takes to escape in time. Los Angeles isn't just about beaches and celebrities. It's home to some of the most thrilling, mind-bending escape rooms in the country. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the wildest, most immersive escape room adventures LA has to offer, perfect for families, date nights, or your bravest friends. Los Angeles might be known for red carpets and movie premieres, but if you're after heart-pounding fun and mind-bending puzzles, the city's escape rooms deliver adrenaline like no blockbuster can. These are not just rooms. They're full-on cinematic experiences packed with mystery, thrills, and unforgettable moments. Let's count down the top 5 escape rooms in LA, and by the end, you'll want to book your next adventure. 5. The Escape Game LA. High-tech adventure in Century City. Coming in at number 5 is the Escape Game LA, located in Westfield Century City. Think of it as a cross between a Hollywood movie set and a spy thriller. Rooms like Special Ops, Mysterious Market throw you into an international conspiracy. The experience feels real. Every detail, from the sound effects to secret compartments, is designed to immerse you. What sets this place apart is how accessible it is. The puzzles are clever but never impossible, making it perfect for both newbies and pros. The high-tech design and slick visuals create the kind of escape room experience you'll want to do again, maybe twice. 4. Quest Room, where the story comes first. Quest Room is not just about escaping. It's about living a story. Ranked at number 4, this spot is known for immersive, narrative-driven rooms that make your heart race. Project Minotaur is a standout. A live actor chases you through a terrifying labyrinth. It's part horror, part theater, and all tension. Prefer ancient curses to creepy creatures? Try Red Giant, a Tomb Raider-style mission that feels like you're discovering lost treasure in a faraway land. Quest Room wins big for creativity. The lighting, props, and storylines draw you in, and before you know it, you're sweating under pressure with only seconds to spare. 3. 60 Out Escape Rooms, variety, action, and blockbuster vibes. 60 Out claims the number 3 spot for good reason. It has something for everyone. With multiple locations and loads of rooms, they constantly push the envelope in terms of gameplay, visuals, and originality. Ever dreamed of being in Jumanji? You can. They're officially licensed Jumanji. Welcome to the Jungle Escape Room. Feels like you've stepped inside the movie. From jungle vines to booming sound effects, this room is one wild ride. 60 Out's other fan favorites include Taiki Palace and Wizard's Workshop, where clever puzzles meet theatrical fun. You could visit 60 Out again and again without ever getting bored. It's the Disneyland of escape rooms, minus the long lines. 2. The Basement, LA's scariest escape room experience. If you like your escape rooms with a side of fear, the Basement delivers. This place isn't about gentle riddles and cute clues. It's about surviving. In the Basement, the plot centers around a terrifying cannibal serial killer. Players must outwit him before time runs out. And with live actors and sudden scares, the experience feels disturbingly real. Lights flicker, doors slam, and voices whisper when you least expect it. Other rooms like the Study and the Courtyard expand the dark universe of the Basement, each more intense than the last. The acting is phenomenal, and the horror feels straight out of a psychological thriller. This is where people go to scream, bond under pressure, and walk out with their hearts pounding. 1. Hatch Escapes, the gold standard of storytelling. Taking the number 1 spot is none other than Hatch Escapes, specifically their legendary room, Lab Rat. This isn't just an escape room. It's a brilliant blend of humor, storytelling, and creativity. In Lab Rat, you're a human test subject in a bizarre rat-run experiment. It sounds weird, and it is, but it's also genius. The puzzles are smart, the characters are quirky, and the story unfolds in a way that keeps you hooked from beginning to end. What makes Hatch Escapes the king of the LA escape room scene is how emotionally invested you become. You're not just solving puzzles, you're part of a world. The writing, effects, and themes stick with you long after you've left. For anyone serious about immersive experiences, this is the ultimate escape. LA's escape rooms are on another level. from haunted hotels to alien encounters. So gather your crew, test your wits, and see if you can beat the clock. Leave a comment and tell me which one you're brave enough to try, or let me know if I missed your favorite. Hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more unforgettable adventures across Leh.